In this video, you'll learn how to import supplier bills into Xero. Let's start by navigating to the Purchases Overview. Click Business and select Purchases Overview. Xero summarizes the status of all your bills and shows you what bills are coming up for payment. If you have a few unpaid bills before you go live in Xero, you can enter them manually one at a time. But if you have many unpaid bills, import them in bulk to save time. There are 3 steps in the import process. Step 1 is to download the Bills template file. It contains the correct column headings Xero needs to import your bill data. Step 2 is to copy your supplier bills into the template. Export your bills from your old system as a comma-separated list. Then, using Excel or another spreadsheet editor, copy and paste your bills from the exported file into the Xero template. Let's take a closer look. For the import to work, make sure you do not remove, reorder or rename any of these columns. Copy your bill data across and make sure you place each column under the correct heading. Contact name is the only required column to successfully import a draft bill. If you've already entered contacts in Xero, make sure the name is exactly as it is in Xero. Otherwise, the import creates duplicate contact records. The invoice number is the unique bill reference for each individual bill. Xero combines multiple bills with the same reference number as a single bill with multiple lines. Even if the contact name is different, Xero will place all line items against the first contact name it encounters in the file. For new contacts, copy or enter as much information as possible. That way, you don't have to manually edit new contacts in Xero after the import. Let's scroll to the right to see more columns. Columns marked with an asterisk are mandatory if you want to approve bills after the import. When you copy dates across, use the format day, month, year. Next, copy the quantity, unit amount and tax types across. Make sure the text type name is exactly as it appears in Xero. There's no need to include the total or tax amount, as Xero automatically calculates these during the import. Lastly, code the item to the relevant purchases account in your Xero chart of accounts. When you're done preparing the import file, save it as a CSV file, then return to Xero to continue with step 3. Click Browse and upload your saved CSV file. Decide if you want to update contact records with the imported address details. This overrides any existing contacts that you've already created in Xero. Also, choose how you want Xero to handle the tax amount. Check if the unit amount in your file is tax exclusive or tax inclusive. When you're done with these settings, click Import and review the import message. If there are errors in the file, fix them and try again. If there are no errors, click Complete Import. Xero imports the bills into the Draft tab. Let's view the bill that had multiple lines for the same reference number. Xero has added 2 separate line items. The dates, reference number, quantity, unit price and tax rate match the data in the import file. Xero has also calculated all the amounts. Let's return to the draft invoices. The final step is to approve them in bulk. Select them all and click Approve. Then click OK. Xero marks the bills as approved and moves them to awaiting payment. Here they are, waiting to be paid. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.